Well, this model of the multi-generator is quite easy to make, but you would require several strong magnets, insulated copper wire, and a lot of odds and materials. First, take a square block of wood and stick a old CD in its center. Then take another CD and apply glue at 4 points at 90 degrees and stick very strong disc neodymium magnets at these 4 points. Then take an old film can bottle and wind 500 turns of very thin insulated copper wire. Remove the coil, anchor it together so that you will have just 2 ends protruding out. Now scrape the insulation out of both the ends of this copper wire and attach them to a LED. A LED draws very little current. Now this is the coil and the LED assembly. Now apply glue at 5 points on the base CD and then take 5 assemblies of the coil and the LED and stick them onto the base CD. Now this is the coil and the LED. In the middle, apply some glue and put a sewing machine bobbin. This is like a fat washer. Now take the old CD, the one with the magnets, invert it, apply some glue and stick a toothpaste tube lid to it. There's a hole in this toothpaste tube lid. On the base, on the side of the magnets, you stick a washer in the center. This washer is slightly bigger so that it goes into the nut, and you can spin this very freely. Now on the CD, stick a colored disc. This is like a Newton's color disc. As you spin this CD, you can see all the 7 colors coalesce and you see a grayish white. Also, once these magnets spin, they generate a EMF which lights up all the 5 LEDs. If you go in the dark, all the 5 LEDs brighten up and you also see a colored wheel. So this is a 2-in-1 project. You make a colored wheel and also a multiple generator.